Owner, founder of Optimize. Today we're going to go through how to fix the problem in WordPress when you have a -2 at the end of a permalink or URL. So let's look at what I'm talking about. So let's say I want to create a new page, and I'm going to give it the very creative title of test. So I'm going to do that, and WordPress is going to automatically assign it a permalink, which is the URL, and I see I get test-2. Well, I would like it to be just test because that looks a lot cleaner. And so I can try to edit this and say, get rid of that too, and hit OK, and it comes back. And that's because WordPress is trying to avoid a collision with something in the website that is already using /test. So let's first see if we can figure out what is using that. So let's go over here to optimize.com/test and see if we see anything. We do. Okay, so there is something here existing already, and because I'm logged into WordPress, I can just see here it is a page, and I could go edit that page. So that saves me a lot of hunting because I can just go directly here. All right, and here I do see /test. All right, so I have a couple of options. I want to free up /test so that I can use it on my new page. So I could do a couple of things here. If I never need this page again, I could just delete it. I can move it to the trash. So let's try that. I'm going to move this to the trash. All right, so that is in the trash. And I'm going to come back here. Let's save this as a draft. All right, and look at that. So we now have /test is available. And WordPress has automatically updated my page to use that. So problem is solved here. Okay, so now let's say that we didn't want to delete that page. So I'm going to go back here and undo that, bring back our first test page. And let's refresh this one. So now we're going to have two pages named test. So let's go find and open both of those. Aha. So now the original one that we've restored from the trash has taken the test-2 because the new one that created and we gave it just test now took that. Okay, so let's say that we want to switch this around. So another way that you can do this if you don't want to delete a page is you can just change the permalink. And you can do that without changing the title of the page. So let's say I want to leave this one with title of test, but I want to change this. So I could make this say testing or a test or something like that. All right, so I can say OK. And so now that this has changed, I can go in here and edit and remove the -2, hit OK, and WordPress hasn't realized that that's available yet. So let's, we need to go here and save this. All right, and try that again. Aha, there we go. All right, so now it is available, and so we've got /test there. So two different ways of freeing that up. One would be deleting the page that is currently using the permalink that you want. Another is changing the permalink of whatever currently has that, and that would also free it up. So this was just a quick example on pages. The same concept applies to posts. Sometimes you see collisions with posts. Sometimes you have it with media items. So in the blog post that goes with this video, I'll have a lot more details about that. But this was a good quick example, just kind of walking through how to do that. To learn more about working with WordPress, please see us at optimize.com.